thanks for stopping by today. Today I am going to talk about how to use Instagram quick replies for direct messages for your business account. So stick with me. Instagram is constantly rolling out features, and one of the latest ones is a really good one. It's quick replies for your direct messages. And you can use this on your business accounts. What are the quick replies? Essentially, what they do, they allow you to respond to some of your frequently asked questions, comments, different things like that, so you don't have to actually type out every single response, even though it's still coming directly from you. So to get there, it's easy. All you want to do is click these three bars at the top. Once you do that, you're going to scroll down to settings. Now you'll scroll. Right here in business settings, you're going to see quick replies. So you'll hit quick replies. You can do a lot of these and make them very easy. So a lot of times I'll get get responses like, if I'm sending a tip or sending a video to someone, they'll say, "Thank you, I love that." And so for really quickly, it's still me responding, but I can just type YW and then "You are welcome" will come up. If you want to add a new quick response, you just hit this plus sign and then you put your shortcut in. So for this one, often get a lot of questions about how do I increase my followers? I'm struggling to increase followers. So that's a response I get a lot. And then I've got a video on YouTube that actually shows people how to optimize their bio. So that's where I'll typically give them that as a starting point. So why don't I do this? I'll put follow. And you can see it should not contain white spaces, so it'll tell you. So that's my quick reply right there. I'll put follow. And then for my message, I'll hit next. For my message, I'll click here and start typing. I've already got my message saved, so I'm going to go to my Notes app. I'm going to copy this message. I'll paste my message here. And all I'll do now is hit save. Now when I get a response from someone that's asking me about followers, all I have to do is type that word in follow and it will reply back to them with a long message. And I want to clear up something. It's great because it's still coming from me. This is what I'm saying to you. It's just that I get the same comment or question all the time. So this allows me just to give a quick response. This is an interesting quote. This is one of the reasons I love Instagram. But anyway, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and create a really quick reply when you're actually responding to a direct message. So I'm going to click up here, go to my direct messages, and here's one. How can I get more followers? That's an account that I manage, so I just did this for test purposes. So you'll want to click the messages. I'm going to start typing follow. And then these dots are going to come up because it recognizes that this is actually a shortcut. So all I have to do is click on here and then hit send. And that's how easy and quick this is to do. So I hope this helped you. This is a really quick way to create a lot of different types of quick replies to a lot of common questions. It's available if you have a business account, and I hope you do have a business account if you're following me. Other than that, thanks again for watching. I'm your marketing lady. Click the link in my bio if you would like to get my Instagram hashtag strategy guide. It's got over 40 different businesses on there. I've actually done all the research for you, and it's absolutely free to you. So thanks again for watching. Hit that like button, turn on your notifications so you get notified when I create a new video, and I'd love to hear your comments. Thanks again for watching. I'll talk to you next time.